Y'all tune in. Y'all want to learn some, y'all. Immune booster, cancer killer, cold fighter. Y'all want to learn how to make your own medicine? Tap in, y'all. The indigenous one, the luminous one, y'all. Ingredients, y'all. Elderberry hose. Elderberry hose, y'all. Immune booster, blood sugar balancer, cancer preventer, cold and flu fighter. Y'all tap in, y'all. Elderberries. Cinnamon sticks. Whole cloves. Grounded ginger. Honey, y'all. Lemon, y'all. Water, y'all. And a strong mind, y'all. Let's get it. Right now we finna come to a boil with the water. What we got in the whipping up. We coming to a boil, y'all. Let's see what we get. Y'all be great, be free, y'all. Be y'all best self. Free samples, y'all. If y'all watching the video, free samples, y'all come and tap in. If y'all around the local way, y'all feel like y'all got a cold that y'all want to get rid of, y'all got cancer y'all want to get rid of, y'all got any type of illness, any type of disease, y'all like a disease, allow King Saul to teach you what ease is. Cause I move through life with ease, y'all. Power to the people beyond bounded without measurement. Divine gratitude, divine appreciation. Grateful that I am. 7:47 on the clock, y'all. Gonna bring it to a boil first. I'm gonna bring it to a boil. Then we finna get it, y'all. Tap in, y'all, for the final results, y'all. Tap in, y'all.